Hello humans, today I want to talk about Tramlink, the operator who got replaced by Metro, but at the same time kind of did not. So today I'm going to show you how I would think Tramlink would look like if returned as a new operator. In this video I will cover routes, maps and potential rolling stock that Tramlink could have. First I'll discuss the map. This system would serve the Stepford area and would have 4 main routes with branches, and it of course has the iconic green tram link. We'll start with the first line, the Stepford Bay line. As the line suggests, this line serves Stepford Bay and Cadoxton, after the branches off towards Stepford Victoria, and the line has a dedicated stop at Financial Quarter, where the line runs beside the main line to Victoria Station, where new platforms would be added to the riverside, where would be a new stop. Then the tram would have stopped at Stepford Victoria, where it would continue on to Stepford Central, where the lines terminate. This would offer a quicker link between Victoria and Stepford Central. The other branch line also goes past the Victoria main line with a stop at Financial Square, a new tram-only stop, Beachley, Kingsley Way Depot, and Stepford Bus Terminal, where you could take the bus. The second line, which is the University line, which starts at Stepford University, then stops at University Campus, which makes the University have a total of 2 stops, after which the tram goes along the Victoria City Centre and branches after Stepford Victoria, with one line just making a single stop at Stepford Central, and the other line going to the Stepford Bus Terminal, which stops at Riverside. Then the branch goes onto the main line, Victoria Main Line, and runs until Financial Quarter, straight to Beachley, where it connects with the Bay and Loop line. No, Stepford Loop. That runs to the bus terminal via Kingsley Way Depot. The third line would be the Stepford Loop line, which is not the Stepford Loop. The tram would run from Beachley to Stepford Bus Terminal, where the line meets the UFC line, and runs via the Stepford North Shore to the Stepford North Park, via Stepford Central, where the line branches north to St Helens Park, via Hallam Square, 4-way, Stepford East, High Street and St Helens Bridge, and the loop continues via Victoria Station, Riverside, where it gets its own line to City Hospital and back to Beachley. The final line would be the SUFC line, or the Stepford United Football Club line, which starts at the Stepford United Football Club Park and Ride, where the line runs to the Stepford United Football Club, Stadium Road, Wyfield Lido East, and to the Stepford Ice Rink, where the line branches off to 4-ways, Stepford Central via Hallam Square, and the other branch to Stepford City Centre, and it meets up with the Loop line at Stepford North Park, where it runs parallel to it, and on to the Stepford Bus Terminal, where the line terminates at Stepford Bus Terminal. Now the rolling stock. The tram system uses class 398 and a mix of K5000 and M5000, which also seen on the Manchester Metro link and will run on the Tramlink network. As you realize, these are high floor trams and they are huge, and that is needed as it uses the mainline platforms at Financial Quarter sometimes, and it makes them cross-compatible with the mainline trains, which makes making new routes cheaper and easier. Well, that was all for today, but if you think about something I missed about Tramlink, say it down below in the comments, but I don't think this operator will actually come to SCR this year, at least for now. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.